पहिले सुवातेर हेल्थ आणि गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाचे उलयतना because of the budget estimate for 25-26 is 1122 crores and the actual expenditure in 23-24 was about 930 crores. And Goa Medical College is one of the oldest medical institutes in Asia and a single most pillar of the state's health infrastructure. And this massive budget allocation rightly reflects this. But because a premium institution is now having serious systemic, infrastructural and functional issues. Issues from long waiting times, unavailability of beds, equipment failure, communication failure, outpatient and casualty services आज Goa Medical College and High, they are pressurized. Appointments are hard to get in the OPDs. And key diagnostic machine MRI, CT scans, they either remain non-functional for weeks. Because despite biomedical engineering, wing repair and maintenance of this equipments today is very, very slow. Many times we raised it in this house about shortage of equipments. I believe for almost 2 years now. It's because of the image possibly of the downhill, went downhill, possibly after the COVID-19 crisis. And unfortunately that dark moment was never acknowledged nor addressed, possibly through a white paper or an independent inquiry. The takeaway from what I'm saying is that we should ensure damaging experience खास करून to ensure life critical support and infrastructure. Till now this lesson is not learned. And medical records GMC speaker sir and the patient information systems that they are remain paper based, they are chaotic. New super specialty block this has not been optimally utilized. Recruitments of specialists today are delayed. Many departments functions were without sanctioned staff. This leads to basically burnout. We cannot blame the doctors, but it's because of whether this has led to compromised patient care is the question that the health minister needs to tell this house. Ada, या बजेटान कितल्यो म्हाका दिसता अनाउन्समेंट दिल्यो. म्हाका याद जाता जेन्ना पयलीं आमी आमदार जाल्ले त्या वेळार मुखेलमंत्रीन आदेश केलो कॅट लॅब दक्षिण गोंयान जातले, न्यूरो सर्जरी लॅब जातले, ICU सारको फंक्शनल जातो. ह्या बजेटान इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट ऑफ अ 120 बेड चेस्ट आनी TB हॉस्पिटल ब्लॉक हे अनाउन्स केला. 100 बेडेड क्रिटिकल केअर हॉस्पिटल ब्लॉक हे अनाउन्स केला. A center of excellence in endoscopic skull surgery, state-of-the-art blood bank, allied health science colleges, satellite OPDs, काणकोणचे गांवांत, कुरचोरेचे गांवांत, पेडणेच्या गांवांत, promotion of telemedicine. म्हाका दिसता पयले सुवातेर मंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय what is the financial budget that is there. Do you have this financial budget? Because such itle announcement, this looks as if it is an election year, but nothing is going to materialize. Je 3 varsa adi announce kelle, because of lack of budget, still it is not put in place. It's because Goa Medical College and Goa Hospital problem of vacant post of doctors, technical personnel, nursing staff, this continues. It's because new infrastructure in terms of building, जे operation theater जावं, equipment जावं, हे सगळे मंत्री म्हणतात there seems to be. But as I said earlier, I would repeat that there is hardware, but the problem is there's no matching software in the health department. The problem is there's plenty of concrete structures amidst poverty in the human resource. आज because जे super specialty block हा GMC चा, only 3 operation theaters in the entire super block are currently functional. Urology OT is non-functional for want of an anesthetist. The rest of the OTs are awaiting commissioning due to lack of equipment or personnel. It's because सकाळच्या वेळार एक ट्रेंड जाता आणि दोतरामध्ये एक भंय जाला. भंय किती जाला की डॉक्टर्स आर पेड लेस एट जीएमसी. DHS or Director of Health Service is paying more to surgeons, more to anesthetists for almost 1.5 lakh. But the doctors in GMC are paid on an average 95. So there could be a drain from GMC to DHS. This will affect Goa Medical College. Whether the minister has something to basically balance this effect. आज ज्या पद्धतीन थिंगा एना एलेज की कॅम्पस स्टाफ क्वार्टर पडा त्या कॅम्पस स्टाफ क्वार्टरान बिझनेस चलता सिलिंडराचो. डेली ए ट्रक लोड ऑफ सिलिंडर्स आर सोल्ड. College building पढ़ा आज if you look at it really urgently requires a new college building. कित्याक because sir आज जरी तो चल्यात hostel facilities दोतराचे स्टुडंटाचे this also needs to be increased. Tata Care Center म्हणून जो एक center येता to set up for cancer. Honorable Minister should tell us, will it be autonomous? Will it be run by the state government or will you have central government? This central government's influence. आज because currently जे hostel पडे हा ते गोयंकार दोतरांक पावना. It's allotted to only people from Penne or Kankon. People within close proximity of GMC cannot stay there, like Penjim. They cannot stay there because the hostel currently is not functioning. Traffic jams outside Goa Medical College. We raised this even in the last assembly. Ambulances, they get stuck. खूप गरजेचे with the amount of alcoholism. Today, there is shortage of liver transplant. It is not happening in Goa Medical College. If you send an average Goan, it's because out of the state, the cost is about 35 lakhs. And only kidney transplant zata, but maintenance therapy, yes, I know because these are common things that I'm speaking. That needs to be done. आज जोड़ 22 OPD असा and या 22 OPD एक OPD on an average there's about 300 to 400 people. There is overcrowding. Super specialty block today has 9 OPDs. I welcome the step that you've increased 2 hours from 9 to 3 पढ़ाले थे 9 to 5. But Speaker sir, 2,800 OPDs per day with capacity of 1,800 bedded Goa Medical College. Aj the major load, if you look at the amount of cases, is in cardiology, is in surgery, is in general medicine. Anik maga dista these particular fields have more load. What is something that the health minister should advise us? What and why is this happening? What is your plan? Aj you propose robotics in your last budget. What has happened to that in terms of gynec, in terms of the ortho department? There is no sign of this. Are you going to get it by CSR? Are you going to, is the state government funding you? Speaker sir, एक part that I congratulate is about the IVF. There's about 25% success rate. But Speaker sir, hui na hui, I'm clear. Ye crowd, especially in the casualty, if someone is admitted in the casualty, inga, amk phone येता है, आमदारांक, माचे phone मार. Dina sang, Mantri sang, ki tinga sarke log when they are injured, they have to wait there for long. Another crisis that I believe is happening is the beggars that are admitted in Goa Medical College by the police personnel. They are brought in by the cops, but then they don't want to leave Goa Medical College. Magadista Provideria also is not wanting to take them. And ye social welfare department and health department naमध्ये हे coordination जावपाक जाय. आज if you look at the structure in Goa Medical College, priority should be for Goans. 60% on an average are Goans, but about 35 to 40% are non-Goans. And if you look, Speaker sir, people not only from Gujarat, people not only from Karnataka or Maharashtra, but all over the country, especially in the gynec ward, come because there is a scheme ki to drop the mother and child by an ambulance. But Speaker Magadista, Speaker sir, with the amount of load that is coming, how Goans need to be prioritized is something that the minister needs to look into. Speaker sir, implants, orthopedic department, patients are asked to bring that plate and screw. This should be within the pharmacy, but there are several cases where they are asked, आणि थोडे seller येताय ते वॉर्डान तू पावताय घे मो या plate and screw मेट मो. I think there have to be strict measures in this. Lokak jenna pharmacy when they should get. Why are these things sold separately? आज because a casualty import zata is ये एक to gauge the mark and mark the severity of the case. There is something known as a triage system. Triage system that should be followed in the casualty. And if they have a coding system, red means immediate, orange means you have to act within 30 minutes, green is about an hour. Now, Speaker sir, is this being followed? Because transfer korpak patient खूप गरजेचं आहे. You need to have a trauma center on terms of possibly in AIIMS. JP Nara, there is a model there in AIIMS. You need to have trauma centers not only close to GMC but between South Goa in two particular angles with the amount of road accidents, with the amount of intervention required. Your hub and spoke model is good, but this particular thing, accidents that cases are there, people are dying, the youth are dying. आज ज्यांना CT scan machine, super specialty block now, this is hampering the handling of patients. Neurology can't go into the super specialty block. Basically, it's because pediatric surgery is not gone, plastic surgery, and especially the burns department. Now, this burns department, jenna ek modern hospital banlele under names of pretext of super specialty block. This burn super specialty, the hospital was equipped, but it is not being used currently. Why it is not used is because first year and second year as a burge, biochemistry, anatomy, physiology, they are occupying this super specialty block. And people are suffering. There is no space for the original plan. आज because Zoritor Uttar Goy, I think Dakshin Goyche, आज परिस्थिति in the health sector. There is a health crisis. Now, Speaker sir, there is no full-fledged ICUs, no specialized doctors in this hospital. Speaker sir, Dakshin Goyche Zoritor Choiler, Inga sarke neurologist nahi, sarke cath lab na, patients are admitted on wheelchairs. Daily, I request the Honorable Minister, check South Goa District Hospital. How many patients are on wheelchairs, administered antibiotics, administered drips? The district hospital dean, Borkar, is doing a good job, but when he doesn't have beds, when they are not admitted, what can he do? There is an infrastructure crisis. When this hospital was built during the Congress tenure, you inaugurated it. Why don't you get the required infrastructure, required equipment today? Because people there, this has become like a referral hospital. The same Speaker Magadista. It's very, very serious. Shortage of beds. District hospital today. Same with cases of Ponda. Speaker Magadista. Nimtin. We had asked for an urban health center in Kunkolim. It is in the pipeline. And GSIDC is almost finalized it. Maga khatriya ek don muhyan as a tender zatlo ani heje ek inauguration zatle म्हणून. Because the government also spoke about mobile clinics throughout Goa for delivering primary healthcare services. Furthermore, you said you would provide upgradation in facilities of Chikale, Ponda, Kankon. Yes, Sogle Twiler, because we have all seen this. This seems to be only on paper. Actual implementation kine. Aaj 70 talukan. I'm not this, but out of 2,148 people that are recruited in the last 5 years, 40% is 876 come from Sattari. They are, I think, so very expert in the health department. Rest all come from the other 11 talukas. Similarly, 993 recruits to the health directorate. Tech Walor ki jate apna constituency gaile. Aur teje rule na going karde. But because what is the secret behind this? The minister has to give the secret. Who is behind this invisible power? I'm avoiding this question, but TB vaccine, the response of your TB vaccine was poor in South Goa. When it comes, the strike rate was 2,321. The target was about 6 lakhs. Speaker sir, 2024 and TB infested rate stood at 8.6%. Case load of 2064. No drive perhaps was even done in North Goa. And Dakshin Goa, sanction strength 642, field post 452, staff working on contract 165, and vacant posts are 190. आज जरी तर you look at this because कित्याक दक्षिण गोंयचे जरी ह्या सरकाराचे लक्ष ना, कित्याक ना, कितले जा हिंगच्यान थिंग गेले, आमदारूय गेले, दिगंबराकूय तुम गाम काडय, म्हाका खबर ना, तो इल्लो कितें विकास करपाक दक्षिण गोंयान, बट कांयच जालें ना, because the trends today of referrals. Honorable Health Minister was on record when he said that these referrals would be stopped. But if you look at the trend, primary health centers on 2021 and 791 increased to 912 in 2024. CHCs, that was 4672 in 2021, increased to 5240 in 2024. Magadista, Soglep PHC, CHC, I looked at the details. Referrals to GMC has increased by 30 to 35%. Itle ye vadlele asas because ani maga dista the stress and the pressure is definitely on GMC. It is like a ticking bomb. Today it is like a ticking bomb. Poor health facilities in this district hospital. These hospitals were built during the Congress regime, possibly by his father. It was planned during that time. But today, if you see all over the state, it is chaos. It's because J. Magadista, with the amount of a golden period म्हणून असता accident आला. हे trauma center म्हणता इथे absolutely is the need of the hour. Where it is going to be, whether it's going to be between South and between GMC, somewhere on the highway, whether it is going to be खूप गरजेचे. This, because we can minimize the number of deaths. You look at the youth that are dying. Yesterday there were 3 deaths on road accidents. 2 young boys below 30-year-old. Another fellow died by a road accident from Margao. Because of Magadista, I have to mention also about Tuye Hospital. When we went for Samvidhan Bachao Abhiyan, त्यावेळा लोकांनी आमकां सांगले की ह्या तुवें हॉस्पिटल 2 फेजीन अनाउन्स केले आनी हे हांव उत्तर चोयता एज पर द रिप्लाय. दिस वॉज बेसिकली मेड टू जो प्रेशर जीएमसी चे येता ते प्रेशर ऑल्सो टू क्रिएट अ रुरल मेडिकल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर अंडर जीएमसी. फेज 1 कंस्ट्रक्शन is still incomplete. It has taken over 6 years now. And local population, GMC, district hospital, and MAPSA rely on it. I don't know whether this fits the principle of Gramodaya, Sarvodaya, Antodaya, Mukhil Mantri Mutto. Health center, Diwar. This is a need of the hour. Many families are residing in Diwar, about 7,000 people. During the Amjenna island, they expressed a pressing need for health centers in the area, citing difficulties in healthcare services during emergencies. Aaj Magadista, you need to establish a proper healthcare facility. I think the MLA has also raised a similar thing. You need to present this RHC center with facilities and doctors. There is a need to provide this health center. It's because of Pednecha Gawan. आता इना पेडणेच्या गावात कसर वाढणे या जाग्यार पासून the health centeraचे roof is all leaking. Locals have demanded to provide medicines, appoint doctors, but हुईना हुई आम्ही fail जाताय जायद आहे. आज पोंडाच्या गावात because of no CT scan, no blood bank, all tests are conducted in pathology. Homeopathic and Ayurvedic department काहीच ना, no adequate facilities in the OT. Surgeon full time ना. हे प्रश्न आम्ही जेन्ना मांडटा आणि पोंडाचे इतले चोख जा आमदार आशिल्ले but लोकांक थिंगा त्रास जाता. आज speaker sir, I believe that whatever has been built, GMC is with serious issues, long waiting times, unavailability of beds, equipment failures, poor interdepartmental communication, and diagnostic machines today remain non-functional. Speaker sir, अनेक demand जो OBC are demanding for the reservations of post-graduation in Goa Medical College and Dental. There is a long pending demand from them. So, though the entire state has an allotment of 100%, 100 point roster, they RR change korpak. I demand that you give relief to this community by implementing the roster system. Other speaker sir, ye health and zoritor ami barikshe, if we look at it, if I summarize it, and I demand that we as legislators today need to propose certain legislations that have to be done looking at the situation on ground. I demand that the minister gets in real-time bed occupancy and availability dashboard for GMC. Let it be with and all your associated hospitals. Let the people know. Speaker sir, we need to, a very, very important, log thing hoitai, thing bed metlimo, guarantee na, and then they go stay, people are dying half the way. So you get this real-time bed occupancy thing done. Upgrade your biomedical engineering cell. Ensure कि जे AMC contracts पड़े हैं, they are taken care for all your critical equipment. Speaker sir, एक hospital management information system. This system should be used across all your departments. Very critical. You look in the Middle East today, Middle East or any other hospital in the US or in London. Tengele system, if you go there, you put in your name or your ID, which doctor has given you what tablets, which doctor has operated, which doctor, when you went in which hospital can be tracked. Why can't Goa start with a system like that? Aaj coordination between GMC, IPHB and dental college and district hospital amade. Ye coordination improves our Pakzai. Speaker sir, post hai, dotrache, nursing, all these things have to be filled within the next 6 months. We need an assurance today from the Honorable Health Minister. You need to begin a patient navigation and a counseling service. This is what is basically lacking. This should happen at the OPD level. Speaker sir, zo super specialty block ha. Full time you need to ensure the staff, the equipment, upgrade and maintenance. Very, very critical. Aaj Speaker sir, maga dista tinga you have a PRO, but do you have a dedicated help desk for senior citizens, persons with disability? This was put to you last year as well. It is still lacking. Speaker sir, maga dista ki biometric based patient registration started. Other states have started it. Why can't Goa do it? Speaker sir, ek 24/7 MRI, now CT scan, dialysis services should be fully functional in the state of Goa rather than depending on external vendors. Speaker sir, je hostel, aaj hostelan dotranku त्रास जाताय आणि दोतोर शिकता ते भुरग्यांकूय त्रास जाताय. आज म्हाका दिसता you need to upgrade this hostel, residential facilities for junior doctors, for the staff. We need to reconstitute also. Before there was a hospital visiting committee. Now you have this hospital visiting committee. Why don't you have public health experts? Don't put politicians, put public health experts. Every politician might want to be on that committee. Don't put it, but have public health experts, citizen representatives. Magadista, ek department wise, what treatments you are doing, patient satisfaction score. Get this particular reforms. Because Magadista, the trust of Goans in Goa Medical College is built over 200 years. Anik, when I say that we cannot allow this trust today to erode by inefficiencies, by neglect and inaction. Agadista, it is time that this institute needs to urgently restructure, needs to get in transparency and ek modernization reform. Speaker sir, speaking on Goa Dental College. आज गोवा डेंटल कॉलेजाचे budget estimate झालेले आसा about 76.40 crores and the revised estimate stood at 71 for 24-25. But jenna we see these figures increasing, Speaker sir, I feel that the institution today remains underfunded. When we talk about Goa Dental College, it remains underfunded with academic innovation, public outreach and ek infrastructure modernization. This is the, if you summarize, Saransh about the Goa Dental College. This institution also is one of the oldest in the western region. But to aaj pasun soila Speaker sir, je government hospital hai, je PHC hai, they refer these dental cases to private sector due to limited outreach and availability of services. Other Speaker sir, your college infrastructure of Goa Dental College has aged. Several key departments lack of staffing. जे research output asta remains very, very minimal. Speaker sir, oral health padha normally in Goa, I believe, is often treated as a second tier priority. Kona dant pind gela, kona pawning hela. Speaker sir, maga dista, this is also the state public health narrative. But despite of it is linked to cardiovascular diseases, it is linked to diabetes, it is linked to cancer. So our approach towards Goa Dental College, first of all, needs to be changed. Speaker sir, जे high prevalence of untreated dental care patients, जावं poor prosthetic care, आमगे जाणटेल्यांक senior citizenक, cosmetic dentistry, this is dependent on private clinics. These services are unaffordable. So with that, Speaker sir, I demand that you upgrade the diagnostic surgical equipment. All departments, especially oral surgery and prosthodontics, you need to upgrade your equipment. It is way old. Because a dental camp is our school dental screening. Collaborate with DHS. Get an education program, education departments. Because आज म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना dental health we need to upgrade there also hostel facility and residential quarters. ये खूप गरजेचे. As I end on Goa Dental College, because we have to remain ki dental care cannot remain just a marginal concern today. It deserves the rightful place in Goa's broader public health and educational ecosystem. Until Goa Dental College is strengthened in its mission outreach and infrastructure, it's because I do not see any type of reforms announced by the Honorable Minister with regards to these particular in the Goa Dental College. Other Speaker sir, coming to town and country planning, this is something that the people of Goa today are speaking, talking about land alienation. They feel that their lands have been taken by people from outside the state. The way, Speaker sir, पहिले सुवातेर budget provisions are 72.93 crores. And although these allocations appear sufficient on paper, ground reality, there seems to be a serious governance gap. And that's because while North Goa grapples with development, South Goa also is grappling today with development characterized by poor infrastructure planning, fragmented implementation, and rising land speculation. Because sarke proportional economic and civic gain. What is the civic gain and economic gain in the state of Goa? Aaj ja paddhatin conversions are being done, coastal slopes into plots has caused irreversible ecological damage. Ata taluka jori to chayla Salsetin, Kepe, Kankon, ye into real estate business aaj vadlele asa. But this is, Speaker sir, this has put immense strains on the road, on the drainage, on the public utilities. Roads have been widened. A lot of people spoke about it, how the people are holding sentimental values to their villages. But Speaker sir, soilyar aaj ja paddhatin ya sarkaran, I call this BJP government that started this, starting in 2017, with change of zone, starting with converting lands, under the several controversial changes to the ODP plans, Morgoa, Mormugao, inga pile start zale. And these allegations of arbitrary decisions and exclusion of local stakeholders. Goinkarak, local lokang confidence and genastona, yenkela. Zaite panchayat hai, settlement zones have been expanded. Cashless scientific assessment korona about carrying capacity, access to basic services like water and water disposal. आज जोरी तोर चोयल्यार स्पीकर सर, वयता थिंगा गोंयान गोंयची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी कितली आहा, पणजेचे गांवची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी कितली आहा, दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कितली आहा ती करपाची खूप गरज आसा. म्हाका दिसता द टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग एक्ट was designed to ensure structured and regulated growth. But Speaker sir, what we are seeing is even it has facilitated unregulated growth in heritage villages, ecologically sensitive areas and coastal zone. आणि म्हाका दिसता लोकांमध्ये कॉन्फिडन्स हाडपाक सगळे लोक जे डिमांड करता ज्या पद्धतीन शेतां, ऑर्चर्ड लँड, हिल साइड, they have been converted into settlement zones with regards of little regards to the sustainability of and the carrying capacity. आता RP 2021 जेन्ना म्हाका दिसता होच प्रश्न 2012 काँग्रेसाचो सरकार आशिल्लो आणि त्या वेळारूय चेंज जाल्ले, लोक भायर सरलो की आमकां आरपी नाका म्हणून. त्या वेळार आरपी ते स्क्रॅप केल्ले. स्पीकर ते नंतर बीजेपीचो सरकार येयलो. मंत्री टीसीपीचो म्हाका दिसता ही बिकेम इन द इयर this year 2022. But Speaker sir, in 12 years the BJP has done enough damage. When I say that, Speaker sir, आज transparency in decision making today is a serious concern. Planning permissions and zoning changes are often alleged to favor the influential. Ordinary citizen, Goenka, the local bodies, Gram Sabha, they are kept in the dark. They need to be taken into confidence. A conservation committee, J role aspects about the ODPs to process public consultation are either symbolic or they are bypassed. It's because a timeline, a clear timeline. लोकांको जाय a regional plan पढ़ा, पत्ते लोकांमध्ये आडपाक. New regional plan, publish all your ODPs, zoning maps, permissions granted since 2005 in a searchable online GIS model. And that's because the Sarkaran Sangla, they have proposed to undertake a geo-mapping for the entire state in order to arrest the future illegal constructions म्हणून सांगला. आणि हे लोकांक दिसता 27 होणे विकसित गोय पर 2037 चे स्वप्न ते 27 होणे ह्यो सरकार करपाक शकता. With regards to assurances, can the government guarantee us that there will be no illegal constructions in Goa from this point of time? It's because if we look, will there be illegal land conversions in the state? Will you stop that? This appears as if we have seen hill cutting. Hill cutting goyancha paddhati hazarani. Will you stop this? More and more green today is converted into red. It's because there is a saying, Ajib sub judice department ka gajab karname. It's because no data is provided to the assembly on technical clearances, on change of zones, on corrections of zone under 16B, 17.2, 39A. TCP has not given in the last 5 years. Sub judice mo, amka ulopak na. This is this yes builder and no MLA type of an approach. Data is not provided on illegal plots, on hill cutting, on land filling, change of zones, change in use. Magadista Ejir, the best way when this all started about changing of these plans through 16B, whether you are going to withdraw all your appeals in the Supreme Court, that is what the people want. Magadista, the ministry seems to be engaged in arbitrary approvals. A lot of these things have been challenged, basically crores of rupees have been spent to challenge this. The Town and Country Planning Department, who Magadista who has made unplanned and piecemeal approvals as its agenda. And that's because, sir, I am not referring to any individual here, but allegations of arbitrary convergence of land to settlement zones for large builders. Anik hotel lobbies, this is what everyone are talking about. It's because a change, there is no non-compliance with RP 2021. Local bodies are bypassed. Carrying capacity is not assessed. Demography of the village is not examined. And then this looks as if there's basic amenities like water and power is overlooked. It's because of a coordination, because there has to be consultation with PWD, with WRD, with forest, with tourism, with agriculture department. There are several facts, if I want to put it on the table, because I speak on it. And the 11,000 hectares were converted into settlement area in 2021. Over 300 major hotel resorts project got nods from 2018. 300 from 2018 to 2024. It's because over 50% of Goa's PDAs today, they say are controlled by politicians. It's because number amka mantrin dil na, but these numbers you either accept or you say these are not the numbers. He has said that under the pretext of sub judice he will not speak, but it's because Magadista as legislators, it is our constitutional right to speak and put some figures on the floor of the House. It is said that Morji, about 64,000 square meter of orchard land, Asagaon 63,000, Benaulim 14,000, Resh Magos 10,000 of natural cover, these have been changed. Aaj 21 lakh square meter of green zones are converted. They said, this is not, is this for the common man? Where is the planning in the TCP and PDAs? Honorable Minister should produce the plan of the Town and Country Planning Department. We see a lot of this transfer of changes, use of piecemeal basis, but it's because of Hui Magadista spot convergence. Now under the RP, inadvertent errors, that means that RP 2021 was absolutely major changes have been made. Minor was okay, major changes. I stand open for corrections from the Honorable Minister, and in the total areas, it is said under 39A, how many lakh square meters of land has been changed. You're not giving us the figures, but on the press we have seen they say 45 lakhs. Speaker sir, under 17.
I will educate the Honorable Leader of Opposition as and when required.
Speaker sir, under 17 to 24 lakhs 35,000 munda. 70 cases are not mentioned. Under 16B, 23 lakhs. तू त्यांना सांगतालो आणि एक त्याच्या होणे 1.5 कोटी स्क्वेअर मीटर कित केले म्हणजे कोणी केले ते बाहेर माले होते आहा काय किती. स्पीकर सर, फायनल नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ युअर 39A 2,90,000. So आमका म्हाका दिसता एक व्हाईट पेपर जाय on all your corrections done under 17.2, proposals under 39A, whether what is happening under 16B, all these things you have to correct. Village wise, taluka wise, survey numbers, land use category, it's sub judice, but the people also want to know, because the people's fear today, Speaker sir, is that आमची गोंयांत जे पड माणकुलें गोंया, we were supposed to get special status. That special status was even tried by your dad, so that Goa's lands had to be protected. Speaker sir, today the fear is within the people, and I feel it is genuine. And म्हाका दिसता all these things have to be put on the record. With this, Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता ki you need to put these things on the record today on the floor of the House. Don't say sub judice and that Supreme Court matter and kite kite, but the people need to know. Speaker sir, coming to identifying of burial and public burial facilities, आज जे मोडगांवचे जायते इशू मेन हा मोठो कब्रस्तानाचो, आणि ह्या कब्रस्तानाक जे आमचे मुस्लिम भाव आहले, they demanded for a kabristan in Margao. जी for area 30,000 already allotted. You need only what he's got as per the Rahul Deshpande's report, only 2,500 can be used. Now you are relaxing so many people. Why is this not relaxed? 2,500 square meters of land. Magadista, they cannot, 30,000, can you relax it? Is this proposal, are you going to consider? It's very important. At least people should die in dignity today. When 30,000 was given, today only 2,500 square meters can be used. Anik, I believe that a lot of people want this. It's a need of the hour, Speaker sir. They require pray area, they require washing area and parking area. If we consider Agadista on this particular aspect of 2,500, only 40 graves can be basically given to this, can be done in the current setup. Mantri Bab. ना माई मातशें तूं एक ना तूं मागीर अश्युरन्स दी इम्पॉर्टंट तें कितें आतां 30,000 जमीन मोडगांवचो आमदार ना हिंगा, तो सिंगापूर आहा, तो हे मातशें हे ती हांको येयले इथे ते मातशें जावपा जाय, मरपा तरी लोकां ना. स्पीकर सर, आनी एक 2-3 things that is happening in my constituency. आज चांदोरच्या गावात ज्या पद्धतीन हांको गेलो म्हणतो भितर आणि ते जावपा जाय, माझ्या फोनाचेर मागीर हें कर, हें सिग्नल इम्पॉर्टंट, हय डायरेक्शन सारक दी, तूं मातशें सारकें दी तें डायरेक्शन.
ते सांगला
ना ते कब्रस्तानाचे डायरेक्शन तूं दी, ते रिलॅक्स कोतो मो, इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. स्पीकर सर, जे एकलो के बिल्डर मो आसलो चांदोरच्या गावात, नाव यू डिक्लेअर दिस एज अ, इट इज डिक्लेअर्ड एज अ हेरिटेज विलेज. रोहन बाब काय थिंक ते हे हाडपा सोदना कितें हेरिटेज विलेज मो एक इव्हेंट ना, हांवें बरयलें तुका पत्र ना. आतां देर इज that basically we want that the village of Chandor should be looked with a different lens. When I raised this, that particular builder went to the High Court. He's appealed in the High Court. He won in the High Court. I requested your department to appeal in the Supreme Court. No, now today you are going, today when a village has been declared as a heritage village, it is the duty to protect its sanctity. When you have such large scale, I thank you for what you did, Jenna. I knew there was a lot of pressure from you, from the ruling. Even I don't know which MLAs were calling you. Ek minute. With what you did.
Because the Honorable Leader of Opposition had raised this, and I had my own punch member who was involved with that particular, I don't know how he was involved. in spite of my own punch member going against me, I went and cancelled that particular.
Yeah, no,
permission.
I-
And now in this floor of the house itself, I will talk to Secretary Town Planning and also the Chief Town Planner to see whether anything can be further.
No, challenge it in the Supreme
We
Court.
will,
Stop
I have
that,
no
we don't
problem.
want
We
it.
will challenge, there is no problem.
Speaker sir, दुसरे एक याचो आनी एक हे दित तुका टेक्निकल ऑर्डर दिलते. I don't know how your people हे सगळे हे मौलाना मोगान तू किती आता खबर ना म्हाका.
Code?
फॉर्मेलिना मोगान किती आता ही टेक्निकल ऑर्डर तुवें दिल्या. तुवें पयली दोन आमदार नासता म्हणल्यार कोण हो मौलाना काय म्हणून वचूया हा मौलाना. हो कुंकोळ इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटान फिश मिल घालून सोदिता आनी हिंगा ही टेक्निकल ऑर्डर इज अ फ्रॉड. That land is sub judice. This, I kindly request you revoke this clearance order that is given. I would place this on, this type of Maulanas cannot get formalin and income in our industrial estate. People there are suffering.
Who has given this?
Your TCP has given a technical order.
No, if there is anything is fraudulent, you should just write to me.
No, I told you sub judice, I have already told your thing, but they are not cancelling it.
I will ask you.
Look into it. They shed be down thing naka. Under the pretext of shed, tinga factory आडपास होते. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता की आज as I wind up with TCP, we need to mandate the public consultation and the Gram Sabha review today. We need to integrate disaster risk mapping, flood vulnerability, biodiversity data into a TCP decision making. आज जे unauthorized structures आहे, जे जावं हे भूतानी आणि हे सगळे जे भायले पडे हेंका म्हाका दिसता कंट्रोल करपाक जाय. मेगा हाऊसिंग म्हणटाय ते गोंयांत सद्या तरी फ्रीज करपाक जाय. कित्याक देर इज बेसिकली वॉटर क्रायसिस, देर इज क्रायसिस ऑन बाय द पावर डिपार्टमेंट मिनिस्टर थिंग आहा. इतले लोकांचे ते हे वाडटा. आज देर इज नो कॅपॅसिटी, basically carrying capacity studied on. Now what it is proposed that you are going to carry carrying capacity kotle man. So what figures? Chief Minister's figures are 20 MLD water is required in Sangay and 20 MLD is sent. In between the pipe has broken. The pipe was put during Congress tenure. Or do nothing. So 20 was sent, 10 goes. 10 doesn't come. But what is the carrying capacity today that your department will do with regards to these projects, its impact on our ecology, on our environment? I believe that you have to look at this TCP department also. It's genuine objection, but you should also be under scrutiny. Everyone has to be under scrutiny, Speaker sir. And म्हाका दिसता की going to a town, village, otherwise we will lose our identity. And the people fear this particular thing. Speaker sir, speaking on forest, आज ज्या पद्धतीन the budget estimate for 2025-26 is 151 crores. Anik actual expenditure zala about 126 crores. Utilization today, Speaker sir, if we look, the allocation appears adequate of this particular thing. But today the Goa forests are under intense multi-dimensional stress. When I say that, Speaker sir, I say that because in your budget alone cannot fix this underlining governance failures. Aaj 60% of Goa's geographical area is under forest cover. Jaun notified forest, jaun private forest, jaun wildlife sanctuaries, jaun commuting lands. Yet there is increase in evidence of forest thinning, on tree species decline, on wildfires, on structural changes in the native ecosystem. It's because of invasive plant species, now Mecania, they have overrun many patches in the forest. This resulted in the altering of the food chains. It's because of the Kempache, Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority padalli. AJF funds have remained largely unutilized, poor accountability, wildlife corridors today are fragmented. Zaite amche je forest hillocks are, they have been cut, they have been burned. Anik te forest fires kitko जाते ते time हा मरे forest fires पडे हा. Speaker sir, ये कोण गाता मुनीस गाता ते change करपाक ecology, because if we look today there is conflicting man-animal conflicts that are arising from panthers, from wild bulls, from slot bears, from langurs, but they are seen in these human settlements. You are saying, your answer is you are putting fruit-bearing trees. This is what is being given. in your budget speech, because म्हाका दिसता ज्या पद्धतीन एक report of Union Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation या रिपोर्टान clear cut दिलेले आसा की Goa has experienced a significant reduction in cover over the past decade. आणि 22% in 2010-11 आणि 21-22 मध्ये आज what tree cover was 334 square kilometers has now translated to a decrease in 258 square kilometers. This means Goa has lost 1/5 of its tree cover. Speaker sir, आज म्हाका दिसता the Kaju industry has been hit by climatic change. In fact, this year both mango and Kaju, both these crops have hit badly. आज Kaju production has grown below average, 50 to 60% of normal. Especially South Goa nu hezo जायत लोकांक म्हाका दिसता loss जालेले आसा. Speaker sir, human animal conflict हे वाडत आसा. सगळे टायगर जावं, panther जावं, सगळे भायर सोदाय. कित्याक भायर सोदाय स्पीकर सर? थिंग फॉरेस्टाक गरमी लागता. कित्याक भायर सोदाय? हिंग भितर कितें येताय? ते म्हाका दिसता मंत्रीन सांगपाक जाय. हे government plans, you are planning to have wildlife sanctuaries, nature trails, ecotourism and cottages. However, Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता tribal लोकांचोय we need to take care of them. They are the persons who reside there. Now it's a new trend that I believe they should not be displaced. And Speaker sir, this is that area they are basically, it causes a lot of inconvenience. So tengele je issue hai. Aaj solar investor from mainland wants to go to forest areas and eco-sensitive locations. This is the tragedy. But hui na hui म्हाका दिसता this is also reality. So looking at this, because under provision, Mantrin ullekh kelo 18.2 of the Goa Land Development Building Construction Regulation, it mandates that for every plot, land shall be at least one tree for 100 square meters. Furthermore, because are builders booked for this non-compliance of this provision, additional trees shall be planted as per standard. So what is your thing? Is this practiced? This is a requirement. Routinely it is being neglected. Aaj Speaker sir, given that the town and country planning holds a portfolio of TCP of forest, any systematic audits have you carried out to verify across these approved projects? Have you checked institutional steps being considered to enforce this compliance? What have you done with regards to this particular act of 18.2? And that's because my only point is that the provision should not remain only decorative. Ada private forest Ada Speaker sir, 8,64,000 square kilometers was identified by Thomas and Araujo. And Intun Araujo mapped about 5,38,000 square kilometers in 3 villages. Mormugao in South Goa and 3,26,000 Speaker sir was mapped in North Goa. Other Speaker sir, primarily it was concentrated within the Bardes Taluka. Rohan Bab's constituency was also hit. Other both these reports in 2018, both expert committees were abruptly dismantled. Speaker sir, and they were replaced by new constitutional review corpus. And 90% of these 8,64,000 was put before the review committee. They disqualified several things. Saransh so ki what is the status today? This is a matter of grave concern. Anik, now we observe also forest fires happening within the state. I feel that there has to be a system in place to respond to this. What is the exact criteria today? This was NGTN case only, it was monitored by the Supreme Court. But today, what is the case? Speaker sir, ye forestache zoritor trailer, म्हाका दिसता we need to make sure that we prepare and notify, and I demand a Goa State Forest Action Plan, afforestation, restoration and corridor protection. Kempache je pod fund ashille, they have to be used thoroughly. Where have they been used? Je invasive species hai, you need to launch a drive to eradicate this particular species. Another Speaker sir, together vacant post hai, now range officer, guard, veterinary staff. एक annual wildlife census report on the fire sightings, wildlife encounters. You give me an answer, I think about a year and a half. Wildlife forest hokot, don cobra melemu. That was your report. Now, how did they know that there were only 2 cobras that died in the forest? How did they find out? How they are very smart type of forest officers who found only 2 cobras. Akke goy forest fire zale, pun Mantri's department says 2 cobras were found. नाग आणि नागिन जाला खबर ना म्हाका कितें तेंय उल्लेख दिशे आज म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर स्पीकिंग अबाउट urban development. आता urban development has 452 crores of budget. And there seems to be a systemic failure as I call it. Lack of keepage of drainage system. PWD doesn't allow drainages to be done. Now under grant in aid you allow, but that is not enough. PWD doesn't allow in urban areas or whichever areas to do drainages today. Speaker sir, untreated solid waste, roads with potholes, parking confusions, paralysis, street lights सारखे maintain कोणे, encroachment on footpaths, हे सगळे वाढवत आसा. Smart city you have, it comes under you, but you say that it was done by the predecessor. What has happened to that? एकलो कोणा case घातली, तो ते credit card उजा कोण, personal credit card of smart city, crores of rupees today has gone out of the pocket. Honorable Penjim MLA is here. He also said that this smart city is a fraud. So who was responsible for that fraud? Why was it bought in the state of Goa? A smart city, smart city ko nodele. As because of Makadista, people have died. But day after day, today, what is being happening there? It's because I demand that you should come with a white paper on this smart city. Where are the faults? How much money was spent? How much money is remaining? I think the central government has given a deadline, 31st March 2025. And from then now, remaining works, how is it going to be funded? Who is going to fund these particular things? Because in your constituency, there is a lot of garbage crisis. In Margaon, door-to-door collection doesn't happen properly. In Ponda, Kurti village a court issued ultimatum. In Saligaon, objections about garbage trucks. So, Makadista with the garbage menace, although the tourism minister doesn't acknowledge it, but garbage crisis is one of the major crises for the amount of quality tourists coming in the state of Goa. And Makadista, we have completely forgotten एक civic sense, awareness हाडपाक लोकांमध्ये. Speaker sir, आणि एक हांव मंत्री मुखार हाडपाक सोदता ही एक notice. This particular thing एक कुंकोळे एक China wall मो आहा. China wall, Great Wall of China you must have gone. Even I have seen bigger than that there is in Kunkolim, one Great Wall of China. And the DMA and the officers are sitting over it. It is bought in an agricultural land. Revenue department basically stopped it, that it is illegal, falls out of industrial estate, but Tariq pe Tariq, every time. Why is this protection happening? Especially our fields outside industrial zone, particular, you please ask your
Under Rule 16, Clause 1, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 2 hours.
The motion is before the House. Those in favor may say aye.
Aye.
Those against may say no. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours.
Them wall pod बांधला immediately bulldoze करू जाय हे उडोवपा जाय हेजेर मातशें तुवें DMA सांगचें ताबडतोब order दिच मो. Speaker sir, such illegalities basically after highlighting also it is not getting आता grant in aid पडटून दिला in आता गोंयांत 14 municipalities total एकू हा oppositionाची काँग्रेसी यशमो एकू हा थिंगा मातशें स्टेप मारतली ट्रीटमेंट कोणाका ते ग्रांट इन एड मातशें सुबेज दी तुवें सांगलो 5 कोटी दिता म्हणून अजून ते पावल ना मातशें दिया. स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता common issues I've spoken about urban development, speaking on women and child. Other Speaker sir, although you've got a budget, a provision of 482 crores, these are significant allocations. I brought the issue of street providence. I would speak at the start. Even women and child, they've given the utilization certificates. Please, I put it on the table of the House. No. But they have returned to you. I put it on the floor of the House. Speaker sir, these are significant allocations. But despite Goa's high female literacy rate, women continue because of today to face violence, discrimination, and economic opportunity they are lacking. And the State Women's Commission, that is the premium premium authority. Today, it is perceived today as being ineffective, politically packed. It lacks institutional independence, investigation capacity. It lacks public credibility. And many cases are purposely withdrawn. I will specifically give you some cases in personal and write to you about these particular cases because मायनराचे पासून क्राइम आज वाढवत आसा, सिनियर सिटीजनाचे वाढवता, रेप मायनराचे वाढता. But these cases of abuse, trafficking, child labor, the online exploitation have been reported. It's because this department has fully failed to implement the Goa Children's Act. You need to create a robust enforcement system and a monitoring mechanism under the juvenile justice system. Flagship ICDS program that is meant for child nutrition, that is meant for immunization, for preschool education is under monitored and it has suffered. You please look into, these are serious things that you, I'm shikon particular things because Anganwadi centers, dilapidated premises, rented houses, no toilets, no electricity, no playgrounds. State nutrition officer, this is a top position but it remains vacant. How can you have the state nutrition officer's post remains vacant? It's because Goinchi dies, his scheme 2011 तुई आल्लो मंत्री हे scheme 61 traditional locals help korpak. Family run enterprises, this has been shelved today. Put it in a cold storage. Maga dista a direct setback on the economic empowerment asta. Traditional Goa women who depend on these livelihoods today, it is a matter of their dignity and survival. So I demand that you reconstitute the Goa State Women's Commission and give them independent statutory body with judicial powers. This is what is required rather than political interference in that. Speaker sir, or nutrition officer, when will you fill it? I demand you look into it. Renovate Anganwadi hai, infrastructure that is crumbling, child-friendly furniture, sanitation, solar power, digital tools. Speaker sir, you launch a targeted scheme for adolescent girls on menstrual hygiene, on anemia control, and life skills. This is something that the department is not doing. Speaker sir, I spoke about you need to introduce also several programs with women and child in heritage crafts, in food processing, coastal enterprises, digital service. Yamagadista, a one-stop crisis center is lacking in the state of Goa, and I demand that you strengthen and legal, psychological and economic aid survivor medpak jai. Speaker sir, Magadista, with this department of women and children, they are not only peripheral to development, they are the very foundation. And hui Magadista, the department, also Lakshya Sarko, Magadista Tejir, hui is not, you don't have officers in place. Several things, this is what the Honorable Minister needs to look at it very seriously. Because speaking on FDA, Sokani we spoke, and I will point out to structural gaps today and operational gaps. Basically, they are containing a compromise about our consumer safety and public health. And the adulterations sweet sun, unsafe water in soft drinks, illegal preservatives like formalin, reputation of FDA and the tourism of Goa today is at stake. FDA, you have to make sure you serve as the invisible backbone to ensure hygiene, compliance and transparency. There is no transparency. What you have raided several things, but there has to be transparency. Speaker sir, although he has raided, the Honorable Minister, I would like to bring to your notice that you have raided you have busted food rackets, mislabeled packaged goods, stale meat from restaurants, unhygienic food preparation practices. Regional Inzatala, what was found? Speaker sir, but there is no structured reporting system. Why are you failing to make this transparent? No centralized dashboard. एक public action taken report, it should be in public. What is your, how many people have been penalty कितने लोगों ने ला? How many have been prosecuted? The public today आज remains in the dark. Department, this particular FDA department also oversees regulation of drug sales, distribution of medical devices. Their role is also pharmacy licensing and SOPAC. But Magadista Speaker sir, today in the state of Goa, there are poorly labeled nutraceuticals. This is largely being circulated. Misleading Ayurvedic supplements. Yes, Magadista, you need to look into this thing very, very seriously because this is something that we consume on a daily basis. You need to basically launch this particular dashboard to report these particular things, whatever, let it be transparent. High risk food pod with milk, with sweet, seafoods, packaged snacks, एक random sampling जावपाक जाय. Generally, as we look at SGPDA, there are videos put by Pap Savio Dai, so Galit Asta, Nustia, Goinkarak Munte, hygiene aspects, this areas around, the way things are moving around there, it is very unhygienic. There has to be control on this particular thing. Ek Magadista, ek drug testing van should also be taken to equip random field kits. This is what anik spot testing is avpak jay. Goya the habitual violator con. Eje Magadista ek blacklist system avpak jay. Because we need basically until your FDA becomes proactive in favor of the consumer, all and does not keep any transparency, does not get into public engagement. Because I do not see any other things happening in this. Because speaking on IPHB, Goa is witnessing, and we have to look at our mental health with the amount of stress, with the lifestyle changes in the state of Goa. We are seeing teenage suicides, addiction related conditions, behavioral disorder because of social media, academic stress. You see deaths in the institute in Verna. People, because of overstress, they died. 3 deaths were reported in Bits Pilani. Broken families, economic distress. Anik, we have even seen revenge attacks with acid. Ada IPHB Padimoda, this is the state's mental health assessment institution. Anik, when it is in mental health, it is expected to lead 2 options. Both legally, anik, both clinically and a community intervention. But sadly, because of the focus, IPHB is only limited to the premises at Bambole. Mental health services remain completely highly, I should say, centralized instead of it being decentralized. Anik, there are a lot of waiting periods for this outpatient consultation. Because of psychiatry and clinical psychologists, खूप shortage asa. We need to make sure, and psychological social workers, the department needs to take them. There is today district level on mental health team, एक outreach power aspect of community based mental health clinics. This is not seen. Goa's rural and coastal belt they are virtually unserved. Because families, what do they deal with? They deal with stigma, एक psychiatric illness and एक emotional exhaustion जाता है इनका. So there is no government sponsored counseling service. Absolutely no service for dysfunctional families, for domestic violence survivors, for adolescent crimes, for trauma victims. काहीच ना government आचे. Because IPHB must just not remain a curative but must extend this preventive facility. It must evolve into a nerve center of Pakistan. It should be a nerve center for this preventive psychiatry, social psychiatry, and a mobile community support. This is the role of IPHB. This is what is lacking. So I demand, because of that, you have a fully equipped mobile psychiatric clinics. Because I demand ki recruit all these psychiatrists. There's a huge shortage. Recruit additional psychiatrists, psychologists, mental health literacy campaigns. ये कॉलेजी मग जावपाक जाय. Workplaces, urban slum, इतले गोंयकाराज बेकार आहाय, भुरगे बेकार आहाय. ते मागीर drugs मारूं येता, crime करपाक येता. They need to be basically counseling जावपाक जाय. you need to start and create an adolescent wellness program. And this because counselors, whether you train teachers in every government school to basically look at whether it is a case of psychiatric problem. Early jannas because of a psychological distress, whether there are early signs. You need to, your department needs to train these teachers so that they can report fast because a suicide prevention task force. This is lacking in the state of Goa. Magadista helpline numbers. Kaichna. It's because of mental illness basically is not today a silent affliction anymore. It is not a silent affliction. It is an unacknowledged epidemic that is growing. We should look at it with the amount of stress. We owe it to Goans, to the youth, to the caregivers and the elderly. Magadista, to these isolated members of society as well. As I end, Speaker sir, we need to build a robust, caring and a decentralized mental health system. Thank you, Speaker.
Honorable Minister.
The demands placed before the House, because let me start with what the Honorable Leader of Opposition has mentioned.